dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang, oh, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang.
Huwag kang maarte, hindi ka maganda.
There was never an us.
Hi everyone, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Basta rin. Oh, Daddy. Oh.
Mabait pala, guys.
Designer belt, please watch your step, cause I'm feeling myself. Throw a flag on the plate, man, somebody get the ref. Blah, blah, la, 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 la. Man, somebody get some help. Pull up on the block. Hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad.
The fighting pride of the Philippines, the reigning, defending WBO.
I always buy black clothes. Sabi kasi nila, black makes you thinner, kaya ayun. I bought a lot of black clothes. I always feel insecure about my weight, kaya dinadanan ko na lang sa black. Pero the saddest thing is, kahit mag-black ako, hindi ko madedenay na mataba pa rin ako. I envy a lot of my friends kasi they're so skinny at nasusuot nila kung ano gusto nila. They can buy whatever kung anong gusto nila suotin, and I'm just here caught in the standards of society. I am fat, I am never enough, and I just wear black. How do I begin? Thanks, Eva, more power.